Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing and demonstration. I'm checking out the VOPEAK garden kneeler. So this comes with a little pocket bag there. You can put all your little tools in there. This is pretty heavy duty metal here. Comes with some little things there and some instructions. Okay, so if you're working out in the garden or whatever, well, so that's nice. Wow, check out that thickness of the foam here for the pad. Very thick. So you can just use this as a seat also. Sit down on that. And that is actually really sturdy. Boom, boom. Okay, let's cut these off of there. Take this out in the garden and see how well this thing works here. It is really solid looking, has some thick foam here. It's got like thicker foam on the top for the seat portion here. It says to put these little things right in here. Those just snap into place. And then we have our little bag. Oh, wow. It's quite nice. Just goes over the top here. Has some little pockets. And we have this little bag here as well, which we can just set over here. But this can hold a bunch of stuff in here. Also has a ton of nice little pockets too. Probably, this thing seems really sturdy actually. To fold it up, just pull these in, and that goes in really easy like that. So just push these in and that just folds down. Very nice. Wonder if one goes over the other one. Okay, so as a kneeling pad, I wonder if this actually fits in this bag. Doesn't look like it fits in the bag though. So whether you're using it just like this, so if you want to kneel down on that, just put your knees right on here, or if you want to sit down on it, it makes a nice sturdy bench. You could take this to a game or something like that, little league game. Let's go put it out in the garden and check it out, my friends. Hey friends, so out in the garden, and this thing is super sturdy. Kneel on it, it's really comfortable, not hurting my knees at all, instead of like kneeling on this gravel here, which would be quite painful. And then I can dig here and do my little gardening or whatever. And also, if I want to just flip it over and use it as a seat, it's also very comfortable and quite sturdy. I'm not sure exactly how much this thing holds, but it is like really quite sturdy. So very comfortable, nice sitting level. And then I like how it just can just collapse into a very small and easy to carry and stow away little seat. So very comfortable, very cozy, like the little bags it comes with. So a nice little gift or idea for gardening or what have you. Thanks so much for watching, my friends. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.